Yo, what up, guys? Hope y'all are doing well. My hair is crazy right now, don't mind me. But I'm eating a little chickpea salad right now. As you guys can see, it's got chickpeas in there. It's got, let me pull out some onion. It's got onion in there. See, that's the onions. It's got chickpea in there. See, these are some chickpeas. Let me grab some with a spoon. These are some chickpeas. It's got onions, chickpeas, olive oil. It's got balsamic vinaigrette. It's got iodized salt because iodine is very important. You don't want to be low in iodine. That can mess up your thyroid and your metabolism and everything. So iodized salt. And that's it. Simple. Balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and iodized salt for the dressing. And chickpeas and onions for the actual salad. Okay, so this is a high protein. See, onions right here. We got onions and chickpeas. This is a high protein muscle building salad right here. And the thing with protein sources, guys, that a lot of people don't realize is you don't have to eat meat to get protein. You can get protein without getting meat. You don't need meat to build muscle, okay? I'm trying to get my health right. I'm on a healing journey right now. I'm not gonna lie, my health hasn't been very good lately because I haven't been taking care of myself the way that I should. I've fallen for a lot of the bull crap online, a lot of the bad information online. But the thing is, you don't need meat to build muscle. You can build muscle on just plants. That's all you need, okay? And if you want to do eggs and milk, that's fine. I tried eating salmon yesterday, and it's okay maybe to eat some fish here and there. It's okay to eat some meat here and there as a cheat meal if you really want to, but as an everyday thing, you don't need meat to build muscle. You don't need to eat death and suffering and pain just to build muscle. You can build muscle as a vegetarian. You can build muscle as a vegan. There's so many different options. This is fire, by the way. This tastes good. The onion, good for your testosterone. Onion's good for your hair, believe it or not. Onion can stimulate hair growth. So can onion juice. You can rub onion juice in your bald spot, and that might help stimulate hair growth, believe it or not. Onion's good for your hormones. It kills bad bacteria in the gut. Onion has so many medicinal properties. And that's what they say is, let your food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food. And I truly do believe in that statement. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food. And, you know, the thing is, like, a lot of people don't realize it's not just about how many grams of protein you're eating. It's about your micronutrients, your vitamins, your minerals. There's so much more to food than just grams of protein. So yes, this is a high protein meal because we have the chickpeas in here. But this meal is packed full of many other things like antioxidants from the olive oil, polyphenols. It's packed with vitamin C from the onion. I think onions are high in vitamin C. I'm not really sure, but this meal has a lot of different benefits to it. When you're eating a cheeseburger, yeah, you might get so many grams of protein, but you're not really getting a lot of benefits from that meal necessarily. Depending on the cheeseburger, maybe if it's grass-fed beef, maybe you get some benefits. But if you go to McDonald's and get your average cheeseburger, you're not going to get any health benefits from eating that. And so You want to eat meals not only that are bringing you to your protein goals, but you want to eat meals that are nourishing your body on every level. Like, you want to eat meals that are make sure you're getting everything you need. And there's nutrients that we haven't even discovered through science yet. So it's not just about the nutrients they tell you you need to be eating. You also need to get even more nutrients outside of that. And that's why it's important to eat a variety of different things. Like, every food has its own benefit. And that's why I don't eat much meat. I'm not saying I'm vegan or vegetarian. I don't label myself. But I'm saying vegetarian's a great way to build muscle. You don't have to be fully vegetarian, but even just eating more plant-based foods, incorporating more, you don't have to be 100%. It's okay if you want to eat a little bit of whatever here and there. But just incorporating more of it into your lifestyle can make a huge difference. And here's another rule that I tell people. So fucking good. This is a real muscle building salad right here. A chickpea muscle building salad. Look at that, guys. Look at how good that looks. Here's another rule I tell people. You don't have to eat all day to build muscle. I've seen people get jacked on one meal a day. I've seen people fast on fresh juices. By the way, get you a juicer so you can start juicing fruits and vegetables. It's an easy way to get more fruits and vegetables in. Be honest with yourself. You're not going to eat enough fruits and vegetables day to day. Most people don't have time to do that. Most people don't have the stomach to digest all that fiber. So you got to find a more efficient way of getting your fruits and vegetables in. So get a juicer. Start making green juices. You know how much vegetables you can juice and drink? It's such more of an efficient way to get your vegetables in than eating them. Most people can't eat enough vegetables in a day. Most people don't have time. Most people don't have the teeth to chew that much. Most people don't have the stomach to digest all that fiber. A cow has 4 stomachs. And that's why they can eat grass all day. Because their body's designed to break down the roughage. Your body can't break down cellulose, so get you a juicer and start juicing your vegetables. You'll be able to get more in that way. It'll be easier on your stomach. And trust me, get you a juicer, get you a blender too. You can make nut milks at home. You're allergic to dairy and you need another high protein drink, no problem. You can make nut milks at home. Get you a blender. You can make hemp seed milk, high in protein. You can make pumpkin seed milk. You can add honey to it. Honey is great for building muscle. There's so many different options outside of what normal people eat. People are missing out on so many different nutrients. People are missing out on so many different flavors. Don't be afraid to explore the plant-based side of eating. You don't have to eat meat every day. I rarely ever eat meat. I rarely ever eat meat. It's not a big part of my nutrition because I don't believe in death. I don't believe in killing. I don't believe in violence. I don't believe in suffering. I believe human beings were put on earth to be the gardeners of Eden. We're supposed to create heaven on earth, and we're not supposed to murder and torture the animals around us. We're supposed to be taking care of the animals around us. So chickpea salad, this is a plant-based option for those high protein gains. If you need a high amount of protein, this has it. And this will help you make those gains cruelty-free, violence-free, and it's a high nutritional dense meal right here, okay? And it tastes good. It's got everything, all the benefits. It tastes good, it's good for you, and it has none of the negatives. Packed full of flavor. So much flavor from the onion, from the chickpeas, from the olive oil. So much flavor from the salt, from the balsamic vinegar. This is super delicious, super nutritious. Onions got a lot of benefits, so does chickpeas. So you can't go wrong when you use high quality ingredients. These are all high quality ingredients. Good chickpeas, prepared properly, soaked for like a day in advance and then cooked. Because soaking them helps to start to activate the nutrition in the food. When you soak and sprout your nuts and seeds, you start to reduce that's why squirrels bury their nuts and seeds in nature, because when you soak them, it starts to activate the nut and seed. It's about to sprout into a plant. It brings life into it. So we soaked these chickpeas for a day and then we cooked them. Everything's prepared correctly in here. Prepared with love, prepared with care. Are you preparing your food with love and care? Your food is what keeps you alive, so why not put some effort into it here and there? What's so bad about that, you know? Cheers. That's real good. So good. So good. So good. Whew. So freaking good. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to document this meal for you because I thought it tasted really good. And I thought this was a good recipe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know what you guys want to see more of on this channel. Until next one, Juan's out. Love you guys. Peace.